This is a tutorial on how to find fractional exponents on your calculator or rational exponents. So I'm assuming you already know how to do square roots, which would be second and then the x squared button. If you go to the math button, you'll see that under option 4 there is a cube root, and under option 5 there's the little radical sign with the x. And the x means that you're going to be able to choose your x value or choose your roots. So for anything other than squared or a square root or a cube root, you would be using this 5th option. So let's see how those work. If you wanted to find the cube root of 216, you would choose option 4 under math and then enter your 216 and get your answer. Okay, so if you wanted to do something similar and let's say find the 4th root of 256, we'll be using that 5th option, but you have to enter your index or your root first. So I'm hunting for the 4th root, so I'm going to put 4, then go to math, choose option 5, and then enter 256. This will give me the 4th root of 256. Now that seems pretty straightforward, but it does get a little cumbersome when you start looking at more fractional exponents, like say you wanted 216, but this time instead of just the cube root you want that squared. So one way to do it using the math option is again choosing 4. Let's enter 216, but this time we want to square it, so I'm going to use the little up arrow. I'm squaring that and hit enter. Okay, it even is a little more cumbersome. Let's say we want the 256 to the 3/4. Enter 4 for your index, math, 5, 256, and then we want that cubed. Okay, now I think a shorter way is to use your fractional exponents. So if I wanted this same 216 to the 2/3 power, I could just enter 216, hit my power button, and 2 divided by 3. Or the 3/4, 256 to the 3/4, just enter my 256, raise it to the power of 3/4, and I have my answer. So either way, using the math option or using your fractional exponents, you're going to get the same answer. It's probably just a little faster to recognize the correlation between the two and use those fractional exponents.